今天是学校的小马拉松日，这是这帮人在这准备呢。我们家小琪琪去年在他们1年级组拿了一个全年级第1，但是因为鉴于这个美国小孩他的发育很快，所以我估计今年悬了。哟，小琪琪他们班老师已经出来了，我还想进去呢。哎，琪琪班和妙妙班的俩老师关系不错，正好，然后他们在一起。我看我找一下人啊。小二子走过来的是他们去年的这个1年级的老师 Miss Omo。他们首先要给1年级的小朋友和那个给幼儿园的小朋友加油，不是学前班的小朋友加油。哟，这儿有一个汽车人，怎么没有霸天虎啊？这次Fun Run的主题是，你看这底下写的是飓风 Relief。参加这次Fun Run的都是要这个都捐了款了，然后这些钱主要是给前一阵儿不是俄亥俄这个德克萨斯和佛罗里达飓风受灾的这2个州的人。可爱的妈妈同学也来了。这个应该是幼儿园组的第1名。哇，比第2名领先这么多，太牛了！这个臭蝎子。没有那个，就是从幼儿园开始一直到小学1年级或者2年级，跑得最快的都是女孩，然后才是男孩，因为这个女孩发育比男孩早。马上要轮到他们了。
Y'all need to be watching for the 1 mile.
哇塞，起跑线好壮观，这么多人。哇，这个起跑的地方好壮观！这块是1年级的女孩，1年级的男孩，然后后边是2年级的女孩，2年级的男孩。1年级只需要跑1圈，2年级要跑2圈，相当于1迈。1迈是多少公里啊？我会在屏幕下方打出来的。
And then the first grade boys second. First grade girls, just first grade girls, check your feet. First grade girls, on your mark. Get set and go.
1年级女孩，该2年级的女孩了。奇奇妙妙在这个位置。
Second grade girls, on your mark. Get set and go.
小奇奇和小妙妙像2匹脱缰的野马窜了出去。这帮小孩摔了这么多，哇塞！我们最近经常练习的一样，他们要先在停车场绕1圈，然后回来，然后从这个地方绕到学校的后头去， 然后让整个学校一圈，再回来，再绕一圈，然后绕到前头的那个停车场那儿，最后再冲刺线的地方。所以这一圈其实还挺长的呢，反正我是跑不下来。小琪加油！小二子加油！这儿还有喝水的地方，但是你说你一帮家长站在这儿，人小孩怎么喝水？哥们儿怎么穿的跟参加葬礼似的？冲刺了，最后一圈冲刺了啊！冲！小二子不错啊，真棒！二子，这么棒啊，你们俩！哎，你们班为什么都是戴着这种头巾啊？是老师让你们戴的吗？这个好多好心的家长还自发的给所有小朋友带水和吃的。小琪在这排队领苹果吗？你不这么凉？你看美国小朋友就是喝凉水、喝冰水，他们就没有喝这个热水的习惯。我来一口。是吗？这小孩跑了第4。这块是要准备登领奖台了。哦，大家老师都在做这个手势，一个手举起来，一个手捂着嘴，就让大家安静。
I hope everyone had an awesome time at our annual fun run. You did such a great job. I was so proud of you, whether you were running for your class or cheering for your teammates and your classmates. That's what it's all about. Now, I believe you're going to present.
Further ado, we're going to go ahead with our award ceremony. And we're going to start with our kindergarten girls. Angel Bowman. Angel, come on up.
现在给学前班的小朋友发奖，学前班的女孩。
Good job, Angel. Come right here, Angel.
3等奖。
We're going to get you. In second place is Palmer Price. Good job, Palmer. Boy for
哦，那
kindergarten
个小姑娘
is
是个
Brooks
小学生啊。
Mobley.
我
Good
一直以为她是哪个小孩他妈呢。
job.
美国女孩都长得老。
And our second place.
刚才那小孩跟另外一个得第3名的小孩重名儿，所以老师叫他的名字的时候他也上去了。然后后来一问不是他，很委屈的就下去了。然后好多老师在这安慰他。这是1年级的1、2、3名。
All right, come
男
on
孩
down.
好，现在就是2年级女孩了。
And second place for second grade girls is Brentley Key. And our first place for second grade girls goes to Ella Catherine Williams. Awesome job, girls. Go ahead and give a big smile. Great job. awesome job to give to those that are in need, because we do have so much. We have been blessed with so much. And this year we were raising money towards hurricane relief, and specifically giving it to the American Red Cross. And Stevens Creek students raised over $6,000 in less than 2 months. Very, very grateful. So keep up the giving, keep up the big hearts. That pays off more than any medal can give you. So we're really, really proud of these students and parents. Thank you.
We do thank everybody for coming out and showing such awesome support in our community. This doesn't just happen everywhere. It's a special place, and we are very blessed indeed to have all of you as supportive parents and these awesome kids that you send us, and the things that we can do to give back and show them what it means to be a good citizen out there. So, and we have several staff members who have families in Puerto Rico who are directly affected by this hurricane season, and so we hope everything we do can help all of the people that are in need at this time. So if you are a parent here with your child, please.
刚才没有拍到小琪琪叫他名字那一刻，是因为这个刚到他的时候，这个秃哥就站起来了。你是猴头派来怼我的吗？祝贺你，小琪琪拿了个第3，好吗？我看看，哟，第3的牌子呀，哦，真不错啊！来，把你的衣服脱下来。拜。嘿嘿，这小孩儿。
如果你喜欢咱们的那个视频，就关注咱们吧。If you like our channel, please